Let's dive into making delicious cabbage and fennel fritters. Start by shredding a quarter of a fennel bulb, then chop 2 medium onions and add them to the mix along with 3 cloves of garlic and a hot pepper for some heat. Toss in some fresh parsley for flavor. Now, cut the cabbage into smaller pieces to fit your food processor and shred it too. Once you have that vibrant mixture, transfer it to a large bowl and add 3 eggs, half a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Mix it all together until well combined. For a quick dip, combine 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of dill, a pinch of paprika, 1 minced scarlet clove, and a shredded pickle in a small bowl. Blend it well and let those flavors melt. Now, heat a non-stick pan with a thin layer of oil over medium heat. Scoop about 2 tablespoons of the mixture for each fritter, flatten them slightly, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden and crispy. If you prefer air frying, shape the mixture into small patties and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping halfway through. Serve warm with your tasty dip for an extra kick. Enjoy this delightful dish